wanted to show you this. This is a project template, print, cut, and create. It's not a workbook or anything. It's just a project. That's all it is. And it's a sew button card. And this is, I've actually showed it before. But now it's ready to go. So I'm super excited. It's a print, cut, and create series. And on top of that, I wanted to show you this. I'm going to be using, I know it says April, but Marcy Coate Designs designed freebies for my Facebook, for That's Just Penny's Facebook group. And I'm going to be using that freebie. It is April's freebie because it matches the kit, the monthly kit that I did. She is so gracious enough to actually do a kit for us, a free printable that goes along, kind of a collabing together, and goes along with the monthly that I do. So, and she does other art, you know, other artists. She's so wonderful and so gracious enough to give us these wonderful designs, and they're beautiful, they're subtle, that she just has a softness about her that I love in her printables. You can just see her personality through her printables, and that's, as a digital designer and a digital artist, printable creator, that is what you want to see. You want to see originality, you want to see fresh, you want to see, I want to see this, you know, see what I'm saying? So if this doesn't catch your eye, that's okay, because I see beauty in that. And it's so versatile, it's so pretty, it's so calming. So I'm going to be using her kit. And then she has these words, I forgot what she called them. These are words that you can cut out. But look at these. These are beautiful journaling cards that I can use in my prayer pockets. But I'm going to be using it in this sew button card. And I'll show you about how to make the template coming up. This will be released as soon as the how-to video is completed. But please go check out in my Facebook groups. All the links will be down below. She did this freebie. You call Bluebells mini kit, and she also probably has this on Creative Fabrica on her shop as well. So it's Marcy Coate Designs. So please go check out the freebie in my Facebook group, and I know she probably may have it in her Creative Fabrica so that you can purchase that. Okay, everyone. So I hope that the sneak peek has encouraged you. I hope I've not filled you with too much information. Sometimes they say that I fill people with too much info. So a wonderful day, everyone. Check out the links down below, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, or if you haven't given me a thumbs up, please do so, because that lets me know that you like these videos and you like for me to share the previews. Okay, everyone. So please go check out Marcy Coate Designs as well. Bye, everyone.